What is up, money bros? Today, let's talk about the Chase 524 rule. Okay, so Chase wants you as a customer. You're worth a lot of money to them as a credit card customer. And it's not just so that they're hoping that you spend a lot of money racking up debt. No, that's not the only way they make money. They make a lot of their money on transaction fees. So every time you go to Walmart and you buy something, they charge Walmart a percentage to enable that transaction. So Visa, that's how they make their money. And so the banks get a portion of that transaction fee split. So every time you go, they're getting paid by enabling the credit card payment, right? So for the banks, you are worth a lot of money. And especially if you do carry a balance on your credit card, you're worth a lot more. So what you find is, or what they found, were that their offers were so good that they were paying a lot of money, and they decided they wanted to make more money and give you less. So what Chase did in the last few years is they implemented what is called the Chase 524 rule. And it's basically this, that every 24 months, so in the last 24-month period, they'll look back. If you're signing up for a new credit card through Chase, they're going to look back and see if you have signed up for more than 5 credit cards, whether it's from Chase or another bank, they will deny your new credit card approval from them. So it's really important that you're aware of this, because Chase has some of the best credit card offers. And even if they don't, not all their banks have similar rules. They have started implementing their own rules, but if you're starting the credit card rewards game, it's important that you do it strategically. And what that involves is starting with Chase. So you want to maximize 5 credit cards from Chase before you go on to other credit card companies. So it's pretty simple. Just find the best offers through Chase and start signing up for bonuses, because as soon as you hit that 5 credit card limit, then they're not going to approve you for any new credit cards, and you move on. If you are really getting into the credit card reward game, you're going to find that it's going to be a long time before you ever apply for less than 5 credit cards in 24 months. That's 2 years. So it is very important, if you're going to be strategic, that you go and you sign up for those 5 cards. But a really important thing is that it's not just 5 Chase credit cards. It can be, say, if you signed up for 3 American Express and 2 Chase credit cards, that counts towards your 5 credit card limit. And something I learned this summer is that it is any new line of credit, which can be like a home equity line of credit, a HELOC. So if you pull out a line of credit on your home, that's going to count, from what I've researched, that's going to count as one of those 5 credit lines, which means you're going to get denied. And the worst thing about getting denied, not the worst, but one of the problems about getting denied is you still end up having a hard pull on your credit, even if you're not approved for the credit card. So you're your own advocate, right, for your credit. And you got to be careful that you don't ding your credit score. Nobody else is going to do it. And the hard thing about credit card approvals is you don't know. You have an idea if you're going to get approved or not, but it really sucks when you go to get approved and you apply for a credit card and you get denied, and you lose that slot, basically. Another thing to be aware of is if you want to get a Capital One rewards card, like the Capital One Venture card, that they also have a similar rule, but it is the 624 rule from Capital One. So a quick and easy strategy is sign up for 5 Chase credit cards, and then your 6th, make it a Capital One if that is what you're interested in. Like the Capital One Venture card currently has a 100,000 bonus, and that might change. It's normally not that high. But if you're going to start the credit card game, it is important that you start doing your research and understanding which banks have which rules, right? Because that's the only way you can maximize your reward potential. And banks are paying you for having good credit. If you have good credit, then you should be signing up for credit rewards. Otherwise, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So that, my friends, is the 524 rule. Now I hope that helps you, and good luck out there.